Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday night, so we are here to do another portfolio review. I do these portfolio reviews on Wednesdays, and I really started this as just a way to help me document my investing, a way for me to look back on what I invested in, why I'm investing, and really to kind of share with everybody as well my reasoning for what I'm buying and all the different holdings that I am buying. Probably the bigger part of our channel is our financial education videos, which is what we do on Saturdays. As I always say, if you find these videos entertaining, I'd encourage you smash that like button and subscribe. For those of you who have been watching our videos week after week, you can see that our animation here for our subscribe button is different. So I do have to give a shout out to my buddy Francisco, and I hope I'm saying that name right. He's another YouTuber. I'll place a link to his channel in here. He was kind enough to make us that new automation or that animation for the button, so I think that that's absolutely cool. Another thing that I want to get into just before we start the portfolio review is we are getting so close to 500 subscribers. I cannot believe it. When I started this channel, which was late last year, I set a goal for myself this year of hitting 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and heck, we're going to make it probably before June. So we are going to do some sort of giveaway or something like that, maybe a gift card or some random drawing once we hit 500 subscribers, just to thank everybody who's been following and watching our channel. So if you're not subscribed, that's more incentive to subscribe. So let's get into the portfolio and take a look. I've got it up here on the screen. As you can see, this week we are doing a smaller week, so we've only got $177 we're dollar cost averaging in this week. And really biggest thing is we've had some stuff go on in life. My wife's getting ready to go on a girls trip, so we're taking some of that money that we normally throw into the market and kind of put it into different areas. So for me, it's been something that's been hard, right? I like to take as much money as I can and dollar cost average in, but something that's really important is just that I stay the course with the plan. As long as we're investing something every single week and I stay committed to that, even if it's only $25, $50, right? It doesn't always have to be this lump sum of $500, $900, $1,000. It's just important that for me personally that I stay committed to putting something in. And this week we're going to keep with the strategy that we've been doing. So I'm going to start with buying VTI here. So, and as I've said in other videos, right, my goal is to put 50% of all of the money that I dollar cost average in into an index fund, and those two that I've picked is VTI and VOO. My VOO holding is huge since I refinanced my house, so that's why I've been investing so much into VTI lately. So I'm going to put $89 in there. We'll get this going, and that order will be placed in the morning. Log in with the password, and away we go. So that's done. The next thing, if I go back to the portfolio, is we are going to invest in TSM. So I've talked about them on a lot of videos recently. I really like this company, and again, I'm getting to buy it at a discount because its fair market value is still at $136 and it's only trading at $121. So we're going to throw $70 in here, which would be roughly 40% of our portfolio. So put that money in and then go back. And then the remaining $18.90 that we have, we're going to stick it into Plug Power. This company has been controversial lately. On a lot of the Facebook groups that I'm in, people have been asking, hey, I was recommended to buy Plug Power. I see the share price continues to crash. What are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? And I can't stress enough, for me, I am a long-term value investor. I'm not buying into these companies to try and trade them a little bit down the road just to try and make a quick buck. Plug Power, I've done a lot of research on this company, and actually, which I've never talked about in a video before, but last semester for school, I needed to track a company and write a paper on them every single week about new updates. And obviously I picked Plug Power just because of how much money I've got in them, and the fact that this is a high-risk growth stock. It's something that is more risky than, let's say, buying an index fund or buying Apple or a stable large stock or a large cap company, if I could get those words out of my mouth. So, when I looked at the research, their customer base, their product line, how much money other companies have invested in their joint ventures to grow the hydrogen fuel cell industry, obviously I'm not thrilled either that the share price was at $75 at one point and has dropped all the way back down to 28. But because I still believe so much in this company for the long term, I'm going to keep dollar cost averaging into them every week. So here we go. We'll put the remaining amount of money that we got into plug. So we'll go review here. Snap it up. And that is it for what we are buying this week. Let's just kind of take a look back at how we've performed. So over the last day, we're down. We lost $389 over the last day. But the market overall has not been doing bad. So if I look, last week, we're up $500. Look at the last month, we're up $3,100. I'm extremely pleased with that in only 1 month's time. 3 months, we're up $3,800, so the market was a little volatile. You can see that really we didn't make hardly any money in that 2 month span from the 1 month to the 3 month. But again, if I go all time, we're still up $7,800. And to me, that is a lot of money for being investing for less than a year in this Robinhood account. So overall, still really happy with the growth. Hopefully we have a good week next week. I think it's crazy that I've crossed the $85,000 threshold in here. And yeah, we'll just see how things go as we keep investing every week. That's really all we got this week. If you came, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back here next week. Have a good week.